This is Coach Phil here. I'm going to walk you through how to use our Teambuildr app. One of the first things you can do is click on the warm-up. This is going to show you what the warm-up is for the day. Sometimes there will be videos that'll show you what to do. Sometimes it'll be just written out like this. From here, you can click on the different exercises. For this exercise, it has a weight programmed based on a max. It has rest listed in between. It is paired with something else. As you can see at the top, it says superset 1 of 2. So if I were to move on to the next exercise, it shows what the next one is. Got some directions at the top, and now it shows me my rest before I get to the next set of my exercises. If I scroll down here a little bit more, click on one of the next exercises, as you can see there's a video for this at top. I can click in the bottom right to see history. In this case, there is none. One of the things I want you to pay attention to is in the top left there, it says tempo. But before we get to that, we're going to use the journal feature. You can type anything in here. In this case, I'm just going to type that I used a red band in case there is something you need to type in to remind yourself in the future. Again, to that tempo in that top left, that 210 is going to tell you it's 2 seconds down, 1 second pause, and then 0 seconds would mean that this is up fast. That's one of the cool features on here that we can use, is always programming tempo. If I click on this thing at the bottom, this is the cooldown for the day. It is written out there, as well as has a video if you click on that play button up at the top. Some of the other little features that you can do as you look through here is, again, clicking on the warm-up and showing the videos here of what each thing in the specific warm-up is. And I'm just clicking right to see what is next. In the case of something different like a run, this has some directions in it that you can click the little down button on. In this case, it is a sprint that is 1 by 10 yards, even though it says reps. If I want to do the rest, I click on that little rest timer, and it'll actually have a timer in there for me. So I don't even need a stopwatch or anything when I'm timing my rest. I would hit complete on the bottom there once I'm done, and it would give me a green little check mark next to that acceleration ladder that's at the top there. A couple of the other cool features that we have on this is if you click on feed on the bottom left, you can actually post pictures. You can post different things to there that only your team can see. I clicked on the PRs here and I can see that people hit a PR for the day. I can give them a little fist bump. I can comment on it and just see what other people are up to in my group and see what they're doing. Last thing, if I click on the bottom left, click on maxes/PRs, I can actually see what my maxes would be for different exercises if they are programmed in here.